Soyez les bienvenus! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Learn French the easy way. Today's verb is aimer. A-to-G. What is aimer? Aimer is to like or love. A-to-G means to study. Okay? Example, nous aimons lire des livres. Okay? Nous aimons lire des livres. Talk about what you love and what you study in French. This is simple, practical, and perfect for daily conversations. Tara na! Let's go and learn the conjugations au présent pour aimer étudier. Tara na po! Ciao! Aimer, to like or love, or étudier is to study. Okay? Aimer. Aimer. Okay, so we need to conjugate it in a present. Conjugaison au présent à l'indicatif. Okay, how to conjugate it with indicative au present. Present tense po tayo, no? Okay, so how we do it? So, yung aimer is to love, is j'aime. Hindi siya pwedeng j'aime. Is j'aime, I love, okay? J'aime is I love or I like, okay? Tu aimes, o S ang dulo niyan, no? So, tu aimes is you like. Next, il aime. Connect natin yung yung L sa M. Il aime. He likes, okay? Okay, or love, he loves. Then elle aime. Okay, she loves or she likes it. On aime, we like. Okay? Then nous aimons. Yung nous, yung NUS ng nous, magawin yung Z, yung S. And then you need to connect it with aimons. Nous aimons. But it is an S. Okay? It's not a Z. It's only when we pronounce it as Z. Nous aimons. Okay, we like. And then, vous aimez, you like. Okay, vous, yung as usual, yung vous na S niya, you make it as Z. Vous aimez. And then, ils aiment, yung ELS, and then M-O-N-T ang dulo, because that is they like. Okay, or they love. Okay, they na po yun, na masculine. Okay, mix. They, ils aiment. At saka pag femina lahat sila, elles aiment. Elles aiment. Get it? Donc, it's just the same with étudier. Étudier is to study. They have the same conjugation na nagtatapos sila ng UUSU, ONS, UZ, UNT. Okay? So, how do we do that? So, it's just the same. Hindi siya pwedeng je étudie. No. It will become j'étudie. J'étudie. Okay? So, pag j'étudie, it means I study. Because we need to cover UR and then we need to add E. Then, we have tu étudies. We add US, you study. Il étudie. Idodugtong yung il sa E. Il étudie. Okay? On prononce le E avec accent aigu, non? Étudie. Next. Donc, yun yung he studies. Then, elle étudie, she studies. On étudie, we study. Next. Nous étudions. Nous étudions, we study. And then, vous étudiez. Vous étudiez, you study. And ils étudient, they study. And elles étudient, and they study. Okay? Can you follow? Then example, nous aimons lire des livres. Nous aimons, we love or we like to read books. Okay? Another example ng étudier. Next, another. Ils étudient le français chaque jour. They study French every day. Chaque jour is every day. Ils étudient UNT. Okay, le français chaque jour. They study French every day. I hope you study a lot and I hope you love, vous aimez la langue française. And please, vous aimez aussi to like, subscribe at i-comment po for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.